Anthurium nutrient deficiencies, often causing yellowing leaves, stunted growth, and poor flowering, can stem from a lack of micronutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, or micronutrients such as calcium, magnesium, and sulfur. To address this, use a complete balanced fertilizer containing slow release nutrients, especially during the plant's active growing season. Supplementing with dolomite can help with severe calcium and magnesium deficiencies. The common nutrient deficiencies and symptoms are: if nitrogen deficiency is occurring, the symptoms will be light green to yellow leaves with the deficiency appearing first on older or lower leaves. The effective slowed growth and reduced flower and plant mass. If the plant is phosphorus deficiency, the symptoms will show as a yellowing of leaf edges. If the plant potassium deficiency, symptoms shows yellow or brown edges on leaves with a well-defined spot between the veins. The calcium deficiency, it shows deformed new leaves, distorted edges on mature leaves, and dying flowers. You can fix these deficiencies by use a complete fertilizer. Apply a complete fertilizer with all essential nutrients, preferably in a slow release form. Fertilize during the growing season. During the active growing season, spring and summer, use a balanced or high phosphorus fertilizer to encourage growth and flowering.